If you're looking to start a new affiliate website in a survival niche, or you're at least considering it, then you want to watch this video to the end because this niche is very lucrative. In this video, I'm going to show you how this website, theprepared.com, is able to make 7 figures in dollars yearly with similar affiliate programs I'll mention shortly. Let's just show you 5 top-tier websites that pay a minimum of 10% in commissions that you can sign up to as an affiliate in the survival niche so you can start earning significant commissions. But first, let's find out how the Prepared.com can pull in this much cash. If you're looking to start an online business or make money online, did you know that you can buy an existing website or business that is actually making money? Check out blueearner.com and click on the niche sites link. Here, you'll find businesses across different niches and categories that you can buy and start earning today. Links are in the description. Theprepared.com. Now, visually, this website is not that appealing, but don't let that fool you. The Prepared is a survivalist website founded by John Remy and John Adama, both former advisors at Obama's White House. Their site boasts a domain authority of 57, backed by a 7,100 backlinks or referring domain names, and ranks for 10,700 keywords that are in the top 50 positions in the US. The Prepared.com has an estimated traffic of over 254,000 visits in January of 2024, according to SimilarWeb. Although the Prepared's financials have not been disclosed publicly, however, we will use industry standard metrics to find out what this site makes. Hi guys, Precious here, welcome back to the channel. So how much does the Prepared make? That's the million-dollar question, but before we get into that, let's find out what their secret sauce is. What makes them successful? Surely there are other types of websites in this niche, so what makes them stand out? This video is part of a new series I just started called Successful Niche Sites, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you like contents like this. I'll be creating more videos in this series like this, so keep an eye out. So what makes the Prepared stand out? The simple answer is that they focus on evergreen content. In a niche as vast as the survivalist niche, where millions are preparing for anything from minor mishaps to potential doomsday scenarios, standing out is key. The Prepared nails it by honing in on timeless topics that garner consistent interest. Take their approach to reviewing products, for instance. They rigorously test each item before offering transparent, insightful reviews. If you want to build something as good as theirs, it all boils down to understanding the power of evergreen content. Think of articles like best post for products with lasting appeal. Hairdryer, for example, will always be needed, and as a result, ensuring a sustained interest and search demand. So how much do they make monthly? To find this, we're going to use the Blue Earner monthly affiliate earnings estimate calculator. The reason why we are using this tool is because it has industry standard metrics that can give us a fair estimate. It may not be right on the money, but it gets us close. So according to SimilarWeb, they get around 245,000 plus traffic monthly. More than half of that is coming from the US, which is great. Also, search traffic accounts for over 60% of their traffic. So to calculate their earnings, we'll use these values with the Blue Earner estimate calculator. I'll select the survival niche from the list. Amazon pays around 3% in affiliate sales, so the calculator accounts for that. For conversion rate, we don't know that, so we'll use the industry rates instead. Here, we have different rates offered by different statistics websites. So we'll try the lowest metrics first and then the highest ones after that, and then compare the results. So for the monthly values, using the lowest rates, it comes out to a little more than $21,341 per month, which translates to over $265,000 a year. Using the highest metrics, their monthly income comes out to $183,954. And if we do the yearly calculation, that translates to over $2.2 million yearly. Remember that these are estimates, so the real results will be somewhere in the middle. If you're looking for a good niche to settle on, you can use the Blue Earner Amazon earnings estimate calculator to find a profitable niche. Links in the description. Now, let's move to the top 5 survival affiliate programs with a minimum of 10% commissions. Number 1 on the list is Optics Planet. Optics Planet is an excellent choice for survival affiliates. With Optics Planet, you can earn up to an incredible 20% commission on their vast selection of sports optics, survival gear, and outdoor products. The cookie duration is 14 days, giving your audience ample time to make a purchase after clicking your affiliate link. Optics Planet offers multiple convenient payment methods, including direct deposit, international direct deposit, wire transfer, and Payoneer. The payment threshold is set at a reasonable $50. This program is available through the Share a Sale network. You can find all the links in our blog, links in the description. Next up, at number 2, we have 3V Gear, a tactical gear company perfect for the survival niche. 3V Gear stands out with their tiered commission structure, allowing you to earn up to an impressive 14% commission rate. The more sales you generate, the higher your commission tier. The cookie duration is a generous 30 days, and the payment methods include PayPal, ACH, direct deposit, wire transfer, check, credit card, and PayPal. The payment threshold is low at just $25 for AventLink and $30 for PepperJam. Coming in at number 3 is Survival Frog. Survival Frog is a well-known survival brand. With Survival Frog, you will earn a base commission of 12% on their extensive range of emergency food supplies and survival gear. The 30-day cookie duration gives your audience plenty of time to make a purchase, and payment methods include direct deposit, international direct deposit, wire transfer, and Payoneer. The payment threshold is set at $50. Number 4 is American Family Safety. Offering a fixed 15% commission on their emergency preparedness products and kits, this program is an excellent choice for affiliates in the survival niche. The cookie duration is 30 days, and payment methods include direct deposit, international direct deposit, wire transfer, and Payoneer. The payment threshold is $50. Rounding out the top 5 is Vivo's Shelters at number 5. This unique program offers a 10% commission on their luxury underground survival shelters. While the commission rate may be lower than some others, the high-ticket nature of these shelters means your earnings per sale could be substantial. Vivo's Shelters offers a lifetime cookie duration, which is great, giving you the best chance to earn commissions. Payment method and thresholds are revealed upon registration. There you have it. These are the top 5 survival affiliate programs paying a minimum of 10% in commissions. If you're interested in seeing the rest of the affiliate programs with slightly lower commission rates, check it out on our blog. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe, and also share this video so others can find it. See you on the next one.